Today we are in Horner Road to see this delightful 3-bedroom terrace property. It's been renovated throughout, it's in fantastic condition. You've got this double driveway, you've got a massively long garden to the rear. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed the tour. Fantastic property, this one. If you would like to book a viewing on the property or would like me to come and value your home, that would be wonderful. Please get in contact and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you very much.